So to begin, just find a comfortable, either seated or lying down position. And as you land in this moment, take in a full deep inhale softly through your nose. And then gently exhale softly through your nose. Let it all just settle. Let the weight of the world just drop off your shoulders. Allowing yourself to be fully here, just with you. Listening to your breath. Creating a mindful, loving presence with yourself right here. We deepen the trust in this very moment. And letting your feet feel the earth, whether you're lying down and it's just your heels or whether you're seated and it's your entire foot. So coming into this moment, steadying your breath, steadying your calm heart, finding your calm presence right here. Notice how your body breathes itself. Can you feel that? How it rises and it falls faithfully, time after time, always here for you. And in that space where we can depend on our own breath, let it invite you into a place of calm, receptivity to this moment. You may begin to notice an ease within your mind and your body that seems to grow and glow just a little bit stronger with each breath, as if the breath itself was fanning the flames of your own internal compassionate attentiveness. Feel the loving awareness that is already within you. In this moment, notice if there's any tension in any area of your body, perhaps relaxing your shoulders, letting your hips sink down, releasing your jaw. And with each breath, let the tension be so that you can just feel it with this kind and loving awareness. Just let this moment in and be present with the space that you're creating. See if you can make room to feel the tension and the space around the tension, the space of letting go, which is much larger, much more expansive than the tension. It's as if you're putting the tension in the context of this greater awareness of ease, of this ocean of letting go, letting yourself just be, letting yourself transform the tension by surrounding it with the truth of this loving awareness. You ease out of the holding pattern and instead stand respectfully honoring the greater awareness. Sense your body breathing with peace, landing right in this moment, landing with ease, with a steady heart, a heart that is held in this cradle of loving compassion. Trusting that where you are and who you are is whole and perfect, right as you are, without changing a hair on your head. Enveloping yourself in this kind attentiveness, this trust, deep feeling of knowing yourself, an undeniable intimacy and greater grace. Now, as this meditation ends, you can take this feeling with you and anchor it as you go through the day. If you feel that you're getting distracted, bring yourself back to the present moment by thinking about the investment you made this morning in your attentive and beautiful energy, breath by breath. Thank you.